Hello everyone. This video is in continuation of the video number 5 on the essay The Social Costs of Economic Globalization by Vandana Shiva. In this essay, the writer tells us about the social effects of economic globalization. In the previous part of the essay, she had described the economic globalization as having negative effects on Indian society as there is increase in farmers' suicides and malnutrition. She also discussed the structural changes that were part of trade liberalization package. She told that the poorer sections in every society are the end losers. She also discussed the wheat package with its components as seed replacement and subsidies that were not to the farmers but that were corporate subsidies. I am beginning the text from the last paragraph on page number 33 in the prescribed book Prose and Fiction. Low seed replacement rate has been identified as the main cause for low productivity of wheat along with imbalanced use of fertilizers and high costs of input and depleting soil health. The writer says that for the low productivity of wheat, the regions which have been considered are as the low rate of seed replacement and the imbalanced use of fertilizers and high costs of input and repleting means bad soil health. These factors have been considered reasons for the low productivity of wheat. However, the package offered will further increase costs of inputs and deplete soil health because it is based on chemical inputs, not organic inputs. The writer says that the wheat package offered that has been offered will further increase. It will increase in future the cost of inputs and deplete means it will make bad to the soil health because it is based on chemical inputs, it is not based on organic inputs. Further, seed replacement is not a solution but a source of new problems. The writer says that the seed replacement to replace the seeds is not a solution but it will become a source of new problems. Seed replacement in the cotton belt has meant replacement of tried and tested varieties with untested BT cotton which has failed farmers. The writer says that seed replacement in the cotton belt has meant it means replacement of tried and tested varieties of seed with untested BT cotton seeds which has failed farmers. Farmers' varieties are the best quality wheats in India. The writer says that farmers' varieties of seeds are the best quality wheats in India and compared to 3.7 tons per hectare that farmers are getting using high yielding varieties and chemicals and compared to 3.7 tons per hectare that farmers are getting using high yielding means giving varieties of seeds and chemicals. Navdanya's organic farmers, Navdanya is a name of a place. Navdanya's organic farmers using native varieties are getting 6.2 tons per hectare in Uttar Pradesh. The writer says that the farmers who are using their native varieties of seeds, they are getting in Uttar Pradesh 6.2 tons per hectare in comparison to 3.7 tons hectare that farmers are getting by using the seed replacement and chemicals. The potential of farmers' varieties to contribute to increased food production is very high. The writer is in favor that the potential or the contribution of farmers' varieties of seeds to contribute to increased food production is very high. The writer wants to say that the farmers who are harvesting through their uh, organic seeds, they are getting more for food production than using the seed replacement. The government package is increasing wheat production by about 7 million tons over the next 3 years with a subsidy of rupees 24 billion. The writer says that the government package is increasing the wheat production by about almost 7 million tons over the next 3 years with a subsidy of rupees 24 billion. The plan is two pronged. The plan is two pronged. Two pronged means two ways. One, to expand the area of cultivation from 1 to 1.4 million hectare in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. The one way of the plan is to expand the area of cultivation from 1 to 1.4 million hectare in these states: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. 2. Two means the second way of the plan is to increase productivity from 25% to 40%. The second way of increasing the wheat production is to increase productivity from 25% to 40%. Our organic methods have increased productivity by 200%. Our organic methods, our methods of our farmers have increased productivity by 200% if applied to wheat, which grows over 26.5 million hectares. It is possible to lower costs of production and produce more than a million tons of wheat using selections from the best of farmers' varieties. The writer in favor of the farmers or in favor of Indian economy says that if the organic methods of our country are applied to wheat production, which grows over 26.5 million hectares, it is possible to lower to make less costs of production and produce more than a million tons of wheat using selections. The writer says that we can produce more wheat uh, by using selections from the best of farmers' varieties, by using the best of farmers' varieties of seeds. Instead of seed replacement, we need seed conservation. The writer says that instead of seed replacement, there is no need to replace the seeds, but we need seed conservation, means to take care of the seeds, and participatory breeding by farmers. We need the participation in harvesting by the farmers. Instead of micronutrients and gypsum and sprinkler irrigation, no till drill machines. The writer says that we do not need micronutrients and gypsum, a kind of soil, and sprinkler irrigation, no till drill machine. We need organic manure, we need organic fertilizer which supplies micronutrients, in which there is micronutrients and conserves moisture. It also makes safe to the moisture in soil. Instead of subsidizing corporations for non renewable seeds and non renewable inputs, we need to support our small organic farmers to go organic. The writer says that instead of giving subsidy to corporations or group of institutions for non renewable seeds, and non-renewable inputs. Inputs means the instruments that are being used for the production of the harvest. And the writer says that we need to support our small organic farmers to go organic. We need to support our farmers for using their organic fertilizers and seeds. This can enhance or increase the production of wheat in our country.